Assalamu alaikum. My name is Joship. I had barista experience. I know how to make espresso, americano, latte, flat white, cappuccino, express latte, mocha, B16, mocktail, mojito. I am from Coffee Training Academy in Bangladesh.